Standard 6, Subject Science, Lesson number 2, The Living World. Dear students, today we have to learn the characteristics of the living things. The first characteristics of living thing is growth. Growth is necessary for living thing. The picture below shows the growth in plants, the growth in bird, and the growth in humans. A baby grow up to become an adult person, woman or man. During the period of its growth, the baby gains in height, weight and strength. In the same manner, all animals grow into adult in a certain period. Generally, human requires 18 to 21 years for his growth.
See these pictures. Growth in banyan and coconut trees. Though all living things grow, animals grow only for a certain period. Plants, on the other hand, grow as long as they live. The growth for living thing occurs from within the body, which means that growth occurs in all parts of the body. The image given shows the plant. After some days, when it grows, it becomes a tree. Second characteristics of the living thing, that is food is necessary for growth of the plants. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Plants produce food from water, nutrients in the soil and the carbon dioxide present in the air. This process takes place in the leaves of the plant. It is brought about in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. This process of food production is called photosynthesis, or this method is called the photosynthesis method. During this process, plant gives out oxygen. Plants appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. So students, as you know, why plants shows green in color? Because in the plants there is a chlorophyll present. That's why it shows green in color. The image given shows the photosynthesis method. Fifth characteristics of living thing, that is responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Living things act in various ways when responding to a stimulus. If you suddenly enter a cowshed, the cows and buffaloes stand up, begin to move. One or two may even start moving. These all are movements. Living things move of their own accord. The movement or the change taking place in a living thing at such a time is their response to a stimulus. An event that occurs in a surrounding is a stimulus. The ability of living things to respond to a stimulus is called their responsiveness to stimuli. Like animals, plants also respond to stimuli. Sixth characteristics of living thing, that is reproduction. Living thing produce other living thing like themselves. Some animals give birth to their young ones, some lay eggs, their young ones hatch out of the eggs. New plants are produced from the seeds, stem or leaves of plants. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction or procreation. Image given below shows reproduction in birds and reproduction in animals. Seventh characteristics of living thing, that is a definite lifespan. At a certain stage of life, living thing become capable of reproduction. Later on, in life reproduction stage, their organs become weak and still later their life comes to an end. In other words, living thing die. The lifespan of different animals and plants are different. For example, lifespan of the dog is about 12 to 18 years, while the ostrich lives for 50 years. The lifespan of the giant turtle found on the Galapagos Island in the South America is about 170 years. On the other hand, the lifespan of the mayfly ranges from 1 hour to 25 hours. The table below shows the lifetime heartbeats and the lifespan of various animals.